Hariom dear children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, welcome to today's English online session. Today we are going to learn a new lesson named What Fun. Before starting our lesson, I would like to ask you some questions. Are you ready? Are you ready children to answer for my questions? Yes, okay. My first question is, what kind of things do you like to do to have fun? What kind of things do you like to do to have fun? Yes, you will like to go outside with your parents or with your friends, right? Or you like to go to restaurants and you will enjoy the food, right children? By doing such kind of things, you will have a lot of fun, right? But I think nowadays you people are not allowed to go outside. So you all are getting bored sitting at home all the day, right? I think nowadays you are not having any kind of fun at home. Am I right children? Maybe some of you having fun by playing video games or some by playing some indoor games like carom board, ludo, chess. Right children? Okay. Now tell me, have you ever visited the park? Have you ever visited the park? Yes? Okay. Then tell me what are the things you saw in the park? What are the things you saw in the park? You may saw trees, birds, butterflies, flowers, grass, swings, duck pond, children, parents, babies and so on. Right? Am I right children? Okay. Now tell me, have you seen all these things in the park? Have you seen all these things in the park or not? Yes. Okay then. If you go to the park with your parents or with your friends, you play and you will have a lot of fun. Right children? Okay. Similarly like you, in this lesson, there are three friends. Similarly like you, in this lesson, there are three friends. How many friends children? Three friends. Named Sam. Sam, Zoya and Jaya. Sam, Zoya and Jaya. Who are those children? S-A-M Sam, Z-O-Y-A Zoya and J-A-Y-A Jaya. These three are friends. One day what happened? One day these three friends went to the park. Went to a park. They also took some belongings with them when they went to the park. Now let's see what they bought. See, you can see in the picture also. One second. See here. Sam brought a big sheet of paper. Sam brought a big sheet of paper. And she is Joya. And she is Joya. Zoya bought a box of crayons. Zoya brought a box of crayons. Children, do you know what is mean by crayons? Yes, colors. Crayons is nothing but colors. And she is Jaya. She is Jaya. Jaya did not brought anything and she thought like, okay, if you are having a sheet of paper and crayons with you, let us draw a picture. And these three children sat at one place and started to draw a picture. Now let's see what are the pictures they draw. Yes, what are the pictures they started to draw? Yes, they started to draw a tree. You can see in this picture, they also started to draw flowers. They also started to draw flowers. And what more? Yes, they also started to draw butterfly also. They also started to draw butterfly also. Now tell me children, when you go to the park, you will find all these things in the park or not? When you go to the park, you find all these things in the park? Yes. In park you can find different types of trees, different types of flowers, and even the butterflies also, right? Now let's see what are the colors they are using to color these pictures. I think you all know very well these colors, right? You all know these colors very well. Now tell me children, what is the color of the leaves? What is the color of the leaves? Green, right? And what is the color of the trunk of a tree? What is the color of the trunk of a tree? Yes, brown color. Very good. Now in this lesson also the children they decided to draw the flowers in pink color and butterfly in red color. And also they thought to draw a sun. See here. After completion of drawing all these pictures, they felt like, wow, what a lovely picture. After completion of drawing all these pictures, they felt like, wow, what a lovely picture. At the same time, they felt like something is missing in this picture. At the same time, they also felt like something is missing in this picture. What is missing in this picture? Yes, children. What is missing in that picture? In this picture? Children are missing in this picture. What is missing? Children are missing. And they started to draw the pictures of children also. After completion of drawing the pictures of children, now they felt like, okay, now our picture is complete. By drawing different kinds of pictures and coloring them with different colors, they had a lot of fun. By drawing different kinds of pictures and coloring them with different colors, they had a lot of fun. Okay, this is the story of our lesson. Hope you all enjoyed the lesson. Now all of you take out your Sem 1 textbook and open page number 5 and let us read the lesson. Now let us read this lesson. You all should read after me. Okay children? What is the name of our lesson? What? Fun. What is the name of our lesson children? What? Fun. Sam, S-A-M, Sam, Zoya, Z-O-Y-A, Zoya, and Jaya, J-A-Y-A, Jaya, are friends. R-E-R-F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Sam, Zoya, and Jaya are friends. They are in the park. Where are they, children? They are in the park. T-H-E-Y, they. A-R-E-R-I-N-N, T-H-E, the. P-A-R-K, park. They are in the park. Now, who is he, children? He is Sam. Who is he? He is Sam. S-A-M, Sam. Now what Sam is telling here? What Sam is saying? I have a big sheet of paper. I H-A-V-E have a B-I-G big sheet S-H-E-E-T sheet of paper of P-A-P-E-R paper. I have a big sheet of paper. Now tell me children, who is she? She is Joya. Who is she? She is Joya. What she is telling? I have a box of crayons. I have a box of crayons. I H-A-V have a B-O-X box O-F of C-R-A-Y-O-N-S. I have a box of crayons. Now who is she children? She is Jaya. Who is she? She is Jaya. Now what she is telling? Oh, let us draw a tree. O-H-O. Let. L-E-T. Let. U-S. Us. Draw. D-R-A-W. Draw a tree. A-T-R-E-E. Tree. Oh, let us draw a tree. Now let's move on to the next page. Turn your page. Now who is she? Yes, she is Zoya. Now what she is saying here? I want to color the leaves green. She wants to color the leaves in green color. Okay. I want to color the leaves green. I-W-A-N-T want to T-O-2 C-O-L-O-U-R color the T-H-E the leaves L-E-A-V-E-S leaves green G-R-E-E-N green. Now who is he children? Yes, he is Sam. Now what Sam is telling here? Yes, we can color the trunk brown. We can color the trunk brown. W-E-B-C-A-N can C-O-L-O-U-R color the T-H-E the trunk T-R-U-N-K trunk brown B-R-O-W-N brown. We can color the trunk brown. Now who is she children? Yes, she is Jaya. Now let's see what she is telling. Let us draw a red butterfly. Let us draw a red butterfly. L-E-T let, U-S us, D-R-A-W draw, A red, R-E-D red, butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R butter, F-L-Y fly, butterfly. Now who is telling here? See, Sham is telling here. Sham is saying, let us draw pink flowers. Let us draw pink flowers. L-E-T let, U-S us, D-R-A-W draw, P-A-N-K pink, F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Let us draw pink flowers. Now this page also completed. Now let us move on to the next page. Now see here, who is saying here? Sam. Sam is telling, let us draw the sun. Let, L-E-T let, U-S us, D-R-A-W draw the T-H-E the S-U-N sun. Let us draw the sun. Now who is she? Yes, she is Jaya. What she is telling here? What she is saying? Oh, what a lovely picture. Oh, what a lovely picture. O-H-O-W-H-A-T what? A. L-O-V-E-L-Y lovely. L-O-V-E love, L-Y lovely picture. P-I-C-T-U-R-E picture. Here also again Jaya is saying, wait, something is missing. Wait, something is missing. W-A-I-T wait. S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G. S-O-M is some. T-H-I-N-G, think. Something is. I-S is missing. M-I-S-S-I-N-G, missing. Now, who is saying here? S. Sham. Sham is saying S. There are no children. S. There are no children. Y-E-S-S. There. T-H-E-R-E. There. R-A-R-E. Are no. N-word no. Children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. Now this page also completed. Now let us move on to the next page. Now what? Now our picture is complete. Now our picture is complete. N-O-W now. O-U-R, our picture. P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture is. I-S is complete. Now our lesson also completed. This is our first lesson. Okay children. Hope you all enjoyed the lesson. See you in next session children. Hari Om.